So guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So we are going to be doing an in-depth analysis on what New Zealand dollar JPY is doing, so we can easily predict what market will be doing. So what if first thing first, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, make your comments, guys, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So, what can we say the trend is on our New Zealand dollar JPY? It is very clear and it is very simple. New Zealand dollar JPY is in an uptrend move. Right, this is our overall trend. Remember, know your trend. Second, trade into the trend. So this is very clear that New Zealand dollar JPY is in an uptrend move, right? Now, this is the movement right here. This is seen as our higher high. Here comes the higher low. Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market then rallied up to form a new higher high. This is the higher low, right? Markets came back to form an higher low, right? Markets eventually rallied up and it came back to retest this same level again. Now, market has now pushed up again to form an high. You can see the market has pushed up to form an high. Here comes the higher low. Market has now pushed up again to form a new higher high. You can see it. Market has pushed up to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. You can see it. It formed a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. Now, this is the higher low, which is a pullback. Now none of the market has given us a pullback, which is an higher low. Guess what we should be expecting next? We should be expecting New Zealand dollar JPY to push up to form a new higher high, thereby completely taking out this high. So this is to tell you that a bullish move for the day is what we should be expecting on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So if you are not yet in the buy, look to go in for the buy. Now let's go down to the forward time frame, guys. So markets rallied up right here, then pull back. It did give us a reversal pattern, which is a double bottom. You can see it right. This is the double bottom, right? This is the double bottom, right? Which you can also draw your trend line, which is also tapping the trend line, which double bottom. Now markets eventually broke the neckline, so you can wait for a pullback if you want before markets will eventually push up. So above all, if you can go in for the buy position, the market is able to take out this high right here, right? We are going to grab good amount of pips, right? So this is for swing traders. I would say good for swing traders or traders that would like to do their position for 2 to 3 days, going for the buy on your buy position. A bullish move, by the way, is what you should be expecting once the market opens. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe in order for you to not miss out on any updates.